Hello again, everyone. You're joining us for another episode of Executive Platform's Blueprint podcast series. My name is Jeff Mix. I'm head of content and research. My guest today is Diluks de Silva of Compliance Architects. Diluks is actually rejoining us. We've had a couple of great conversations with him and his colleagues over the years. Today's update is going to be about where cell and gene therapies are going. It's certainly an exciting topic, and there's a lot of new stuff to cover. I'm really looking forward to this conversation. Diluks, thank you for joining me again today.
Thank you, Jeff. It's a pleasure to be back.
I guess maybe I want to start off with the happy news that, I remember 5 or 6 years ago, a lot of this was very much in the pipeline, and this seems to be the year things are coming out of the pipeline. Something like 40 approved drugs. It's amazing. Talk to me about what is happening and what's coming next.
Oh, wow. Yeah, it's been an incredible year, right? So far, I was just the other day, I was surfing in LinkedIn, and here comes a pop-up, right? 40 new products, cell and gene products approved, right? So FDA has been busy. The industry's been busy, right? So it's absolutely fantastic to see that level of engagement and approval because as we have discussed, when I first started in this space with Kymriah program, that was the very first, right? For us to be able to go from 2017 to have one program approved, but now in a single year to have 40, incredible.